everyone, welcome back to my channel. Coffee grounds are often hailed as a miracle solution or fertilizer for various plant needs and issues. They are believed to tackle diseases, repel insects, enrich soil fertility, and act as a deterrent against snails and slugs. So let's dive into the reality behind these claims. So the first claim is that coffee grounds acidify the soil. Well, the pH of coffee grounds ranges between 6.2 to 6.8, which is slightly acidic. And when you add this to your soil, it's not going to change the pH of your soil, because when you water or when it rains, it's going to get leached out of your soil profile. There are many other ways to alter the soil pH, like adding sulfur. Please let me know by commenting in the comment section if you want me to make a detailed video on effective ways to alter the soil pH. So the next claim is that coffee grounds are good fertilizers. Well, the NPK value of coffee grounds is nitrogen 1.2% and phosphorus and potassium 0.3%, along with few traces of other micronutrients. Now, as you can see that the value of potassium and phosphorus is quite low as compared to nitrogen, and over application of nitrogen can cause nutrient imbalance in the soil, and it can affect the growth of your plant. Remember that these coffee ground is an organic material and the nutrients are locked up in large protein molecules, and unless these protein molecules break down to release the nutrients into the soil, your soil or your plants will not benefit from those coffee grounds, which makes coffee grounds a good slow release fertilizer, and therefore it's advisable to use coffee grounds along with other fertilizers to make sure that you provide a good balance of nutrients quickly to your plants. The next claim is that coffee grounds prevent fungal diseases. Now, studies using coffee grounds were done to find out whether or not these coffee grounds can inhibit the growth of fungal wilts and rots like Tinea, Fusarium and Pythium on plants. And the researchers did suggest that coffee grounds can inhibit the pathogenic fungal growth, but it is not confirmed because these researches and experiments were done in labs under controlled environments and not in actual garden. Therefore, there is no solid evidence to say that coffee grounds can actually inhibit the growth of fungal diseases in plants. To make the most of coffee grounds without facing any problem, consider composting coffee grounds along with other organic materials. This will help you to balance the pH level and prevent the nitrogen overload, and also reduce the allelopathic effect of coffee. While coffee grounds can be an excellent addition to your gardening routine, it is essential to use it the right way and in moderation to reap the benefits without harming your beloved plants. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow gardeners, and hit that subscribe button for more insightful content. I'll see you next time with another exciting video. Stay safe, happy gardening.